making 2 easy and yummy animal-themed snacks. Can you guess which animal snacks we will be making? Well, watch until the end to find out, and let's get snack making!
So let's have a look at the ingredients. For animal 1, you will need a slice of bread, some vanilla yogurt, 3 slices of a banana, 2 slices of a strawberry, 3 blueberries, some peanut butter, and a cookie cutter or a knife. And for animal 2, you will need 1 banana, a dozen pretzel sticks, 2 mini chocolate chips, and some spinach leaves. So let's get started with the first animal. Step 1. Toast the bread. Step 2. Cut the toast into the animal shape.
So, can you guess what animal it is?
Yes, it's a bear! Step 3. Now spread the peanut butter onto your bear-shaped toast. Did you know that bears can run very fast and they are also good at climbing and swimming? Step 4. Now use the yogurt to add the fruit to make the ears and the face. Wow! This bear looks so yummy! Now let's make the second animal. Step 5. Place the spinach on top of the plate. Step 6. Put the banana on top of the plate.
Do you know what animal this is?
Is it the snake?
No, no, no!
Step 7. Now use the pretzel sticks to create legs along the sides of the banana. And the chocolate chips for the eyes. It's a caterpillar! A caterpillar is a young butterfly or moth. So delicious!
All done! And these animal snacks are so yummy! And healthy too. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all next